Hello everyone, this is Indra with you and you guys watching Trading with Love.
Cardano might be down, but it's certainly not out. The crypto network has had an incredible year, catapulting itself from the pack of the elite level of digital currency like Bitcoin and Ethereum. It is currently suffering from flash crash that's disrupting the whole market today. But don't be fooled, Cardano is built to last. The path to where Cardano is now littered with updates. The network has listened closely to the needs of its user, and it has adjusted accordingly. Cardano caught some bullish optimism earlier this year. For example, after Elon Musk turned his back on Bitcoin due to its high energy consumption, Cardano became a favored alternative to eco-conscious crypto investors. This is thanks to its proof-of-stake algorithm and its energy efficiency compared to Bitcoin proof-of-work consensus protocols. Most notably, the network underwent its Alonso Purple upgrade at the beginning of September. The network biggest yet. With Alonso Purple, the Cardano developers are ushering in a new era for the blockchain. Users are now able to use smart contracts on the network, enabling more seamless and efficient transactions. That capabilities are at new heights, with users able to choose from any 200 available smart contracts to build their own perfect product. Meanwhile, the new capabilities open the door for minting non-fungible tokens. Once an industry dominated by Ethereum, Cardano developers are tossing their own hat in the digital art ring by enabling smart contracts. The market correction happening this morning might look scary, but it's nothing Cardano can't withstand. The coin has proven multiple times its telephone-like durability, and without a catalyst for the downturn, investors are likely looking at the situation like buying opportunity.
Alright, thank you for watching and I hope this video gives you more information and knowledge. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and share it to your social platform, and see you again in the next video. Ciao!